This is the second law of indices. The law is division of like bases. Remember that the first law is multiplication of like bases. But in this case, we have division of like bases. For example, we have a raised to power m over a raised to power n is equal to a. Since they are like bases, a and a, we say a raised to power m minus n. Okay? Now let's give some examples. So let's give some examples. If we have 5 raised to power 3 over 5 raised to power 2, we'll have it as, since they are like bases, 5 and 5, so we'll have 5 raised to power 3 minus 2, just as we have here. So that we'll have 5 raised to power 3 minus 3 is what? 1. So 5 raised to power 1. And 5 raised to power 1 is equal to 5. So this is the answer. Now, I'll give another example again. We'll have, let's say we have 2 raised to power 8 over 2 raised to power 6. We'll have what? Since they are like bases, we say simply say 2 raised to power 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2 raised to power 2. And this is equal to 2 raised to power 3 is simply 2 times 2 and is equal to 4. This is it. This is the answer. Another one again is we have 3 raised to power 9 over 3 raised to power 6 is equal to 3 raised to power 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. And 3 raised to power 3 is same as saying 3 times 3 times 3, which is what? 27. Okay, so I believe this law 2, the second law, is also as simple as the first law. If you do enjoy this video, kindly support me by sharing the video. Bye.